Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to block third-party cookies on your Opera GX. I want to block third-party cookies for whatever reason you want to block it. It's quite simple. From the home page, what you do is that you look at the left sidebar. Now as I said, look at the bottom of it. You should have the option for settings, the gear icon. In case it's not there, because sometimes it is hidden, what you do is you click at the bottom, which should be the three dots at the bottom, to open up your sidebar setup. So once you click on it, then you scroll down until you see Opera Tools, and then you go to settings and turn it on. And once you've done that, you come back and you click on the gear icon, and then you open up this part. You can see privacy and stuff. So scroll down until you see privacy and security, or you can just simply click on it here, privacy and security, from here, and then you can see delete browsing data. Then you can see third-party cookies. So normally third-party cookies are blocked in incognito mode, but let's say you're browsing, you're not using incognito mode, and you want to block third-party cookies. So click on it and you can see allow third-party cookies and block third-party cookies. So make sure this is turned on. Now if you want to allow third-party cookies, simply mark allow third-party cookies. It's as simple as that. Now when you want to block third-party cookies in incognito mode, you can see it's only for incognito. I want to block for everyone, so click on this one instead. So once you choose block third-party cookies, this third option, sites can use cookies to improve your browsing experience. Sites can't use your cookies to see your browsing activity across different sites. For example, no personalized ads, and features on some ad sites might not work. This is what happens if you turn this on. Sites will use your cookies to improve your browsing experience, as for example, to keep you signed in or to remember things in your shopping cart, but do not use your cookies to see your browsing activities across different sites. For example, personalized ads. It's as simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.